Hello everyone, welcome back to Colorado channel. This is Tina. Nice to see you all again. Summer season is coming. High temperatures are there always. So how to keep your digital socks printer safe during the summer season? Below 6 tips for you to easily handle the heat. First, control the temperature and humidity. You need AC and humidifier. The optimal working environment for sock printer is temperature under 15 to 30 degrees and humidity around 40%. Second, prevent static electricity and ink drying. High temperature often comes with dry conditions, which can easily lead to static electricity and ink clogging. At this time, turn on the humidifier to increase the air humidity. At the same time, ensure the printer is properly grounded to effectively prevent static electricity. And point 3, use dedicated power strips for specific devices to avoid overloading. Do not plug too many devices into the same power stripe. So only the printer and computer you can put all together to the same one dedicated power stripe.
Point 4. How to deal with humid weather.
Maybe it is raining and humid summers, and it can affect the cotton socks printing results. Excessive humidity can cause color breaking and poor color fixation, so please pay more attention. Take a good moisture-proof mirror.
Point 5. Ensure proper moisture protection.
When the humidity is high, use a dehumidifier to reduce the indoor humidity. At the same time, to keep the printer's cartridge cover closed to prevent moisture and dust with anything potential risks. Point 6. Monitor indoor temperature and humidity in real time. It is recommended to place a temperature and humidity meter in the room to monitor the environmental changes at all times. Okay, except above 6 points, and if you have any experience or any problems you have met during the summer by using the sock printer, you can also tell us and we will try our best to solve it for you. Okay, see you next time. Bye.